Welcome to Softreviewed. Today we are going to talk about something that launched in India and it's like really changing the way how normal people invest in stock market and how they learn about stocks and investing. This is especially helpful for beginners. So since you can talk with the AI who has like advanced knowledge of real-time information of what's going on in the Indian stock market. This can be applied to the US stock market as well. I'm talking about is like the new finance option. If you click here, you can see all the Nifty details, BSE stock exchange details, even Bitcoin details as well, cryptocurrency. You can toggle between these options. Just click on this in order to get all the Bitcoin details. And if you want, you can also see the earning details that's published on different dates. If you look at the previous day here, you can see the calls for different companies. If you click here, you can also drill down to detailed analysis of each stock and you can also see the transcript. So that's really great information. If you want that, you can also copy and you can also download the transcript, and you can even see the earning calls slides and presentation. See the Indian Oil Corporation, which was not really like accessible for a common user like me. Now we have so much information. With all the help of with everything that we see right now, we can definitely make a better decision on which stocks to invest and which one to pick. As you can see, you can also see the detailed chart of how the performance actually is. You can sort it by year, month, etc. And also, mind you, this is like real-time information feeding directly to Perplexity, so you can even ask different questions as well. If you are somebody new to like stock market, you will have now really a wealth of knowledge like a hedge fund manager would have. And the amazing part is that this is absolutely available for free for everyone. Now all you have to do is ask the right questions, and that's it. You don't, if you are too lazy, you can directly come into Perplexity and ask just Ola stock price. See, instantly you will have the information on how Ola is doing. If you want, you can follow or unfollow this company so that whenever you log into your finance dashboard, I just followed it, right? So if I go to the finance dashboard, as you can see, it's now on my watch list so that I can clearly see how my selected stock is doing. Maybe if I go back and if I type in like IFB stock price, you can see how the IFB is doing. You can see the current price, 52-week low and highs, the market capitalization, the PE ratio, all these information, right? So if you want, you can also change the value in percentage and in the value. And if you click here, you can even deep dive into the historical and financial data, see all the latest news related to this and whether it's the trend. This is really helpful information, especially when you are new to stock market, in order to help you make your buying decision. Like you overall get the feel of how the market is receiving this stock, right? So we can directly see the bullish view and bearish view. You can see the price movement for different dates. So all of this information is presented to you in a single dashboard, which was not available 3 or 4 months before. Really hats off to the Perplexity team for bringing something like this, so that now all the decisions that we make can be based on actual factual data, which was never available for the common man just like us. We had to go to really expensive dashboard specifically for stock market investing. So now the stock market investing game is now democratized by the Perplexity team. They made it for free so that we have all these information, right? The income statement, balance sheet, cash flow, all of this information is available. Even history, 5-day, 1-day So we are having all these information so that we know exactly what's happening in around that company. If you want to switch between the US market and Indian market, you can just click on the finance button here and you can switch to the US market just like this. So you will get all the US company information and you can see the overall sentiment here as well. So it's not bearish or bullish, it's in a neutral sentiment. And you can also see different crypto coins information. So let's switch back to the Indian markets. And you also have a screener option where if you want to screen based on certain criteria, you can do that, which is really powerful. Let me just ask, can you list some stocks which are under 1,000 rupees in the IT sector with good profits? See, we have all this stock which is the price is under 1,000 rupees. If you want, you can also download it as a table as well. And as you can see, we have all the information. Maybe if you want, you can feed this information to an LLM or do again more research on that. You can also set up a price by going to task, then click here and just click on price alert. Then you can type in like IFP Industries. Sometimes it will not show up. If you want to set the price, it's really easy. Make sure you get this symbol. This is what identifies the actual stock. And if you click on here on the finance, then you just click on price alert. Then if you paste it here, it should show. If it's not showing that a specific stock is not available for tracking, they will definitely add this in the future. But some of the stocks are available. So for example, let's say TCS, since it's a bigger stock. TCS and Tata Consultancy. So this is the code, right? TCS. Let's go back and check if this is available. As you can see, the TCS NS available. So you need to double check whether the price alert is available, but it's still being rolled out to all the stocks that's listed. Now you can also see the current price maybe after looking at TCS. So whenever you select the stock, you can see it, right? When you selected the stock and if you set the price alert directly here, you can see it's automatically filled in. Maybe let's look at the 1 year period and it's on a downtrend. Maybe let's go to 5-year trend. So I think it's a good time to buy. So let's say if you want to get into this stock when there is some good movement, right? We need to get an alert when it's, let's say 3,100. Let's set it up like this, right? 3,100. And you can also ask additional instructions. So once this is triggered, the AI will do the research and give you more information, like what's the cause of that price rise and things like that. You can specify the instruction that you want here and you can set up the alert. So it's completely optional, but you can also do that. Makes it even more powerful. So I hope you found this information helpful. If you liked it, please don't forget to share and subscribe for more future videos.
Like, share, subscribe. Hey!